We're not here to talk about toys. We're here to talk about a young woman. We're here to talk about a mother and a daughter. And we're here to talk about a man and a father. And because they have no more life to lead, we're here to talk about the deaths of Emily Richitelli and Ashley Altman. That defendant, Ronnie Todd, and Emily Richitelli were dating in the early part of 2022. And that everything was going just fine. And in the early part of July, that ended. They broke up. They took a break. And Ron went on a work trip. And things went south quick. And Ron drives over to 4012 North Fraser Street. Ashley Altman lives at 4012 North Fraser Street. And when he gets there, finds Ashley and Emily, enters the home, and he shoots them in the back of the head, blows their brains out. And there was a young boy in the bathroom a couple feet away. It was the son of Ashley Altman. And he was in that bathroom, and he heard what his Uncle Ronnie did in the last seconds that Ashley Altman faced down that gun. And he's going to be here, and he's going to tell you what he heard. Look at the shell casings that were found in Ronnie Todd's garage. And then I want you to look at the bullets that were found in Ashley Altman. I want you to look at the bullets that were found at the crime scene. And you're going to notice 3 distinct similarities. And they are consistent between all 3 places. And so what does the state have to show? We've got to show that this man unlawfully killed another with malice aforethought. Listen close and give us your undivided attention. I think you'll be firmly convinced of the reason why we're here, and we'd ask that you render a just verdict after you've heard that. Thank you.
Ronnie Todd has pled not guilty. He has pled not guilty. There is no burden on his part. He doesn't have to do anything. What you're going to find is that there was a 9-year-old child in another room in the house. Didn't see anybody. There's not going to be one single iota of testimony that he saw anybody do anything. And the solicitor indicated, he said, well, you know, he said to someone that if I can't have her, nobody's going to have her. Well, that's not murder. If you are left struggling with trying to decide if this happened or it didn't happen or how it happened, then the state has not met its burden. This is an emotional case. You got a 9-year-old child who was at a crime scene where 2 people who I'm sure he loved were killed. That's bad. Nobody's saying that that's good. That's bad. You got families who've lost a loved one. That's bad. But you also got a man who's on trial for his life as well. That's bad. I ask you not to let your emotions guide you, but simply be guided by the law that His Honor gives you in this case. And set aside any emotional feelings that you may or may not have about the facts of this case. Thank you very much.